It's Machiavelli back again with another video. Alright, so KFC just recently launched a viral new chicken sandwich, limited edition. It's called the mac and cheese KFC chicken sandwich. They also dropped the mac and cheese chicken wrap along with it. It's super viral right now. You already know what we do, so I'm gonna go give that a review and let you guys know what it's saying. So we're here. The mac and cheese, right? You sell the mac and cheese, right? Alright. Yeah. $9.99. You get the sandwich by itself. I have a question. What's on it? Is there mayo on it?
Cheese sauce. That's the cheesy sauce.
Oh, the cheesy sauce? So there's no mayo on it?
Do we put mayo?
I want a spicy mayo on it. Can I do that? Or?
Spicy.
Spicy.
Can you have spicy mayo?
Yeah, that's spicy.
So like spicy mayo.
You see the 2 for $5?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get 2 mac and cheese.
Okay.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is the KD chicken wrap. I got 2 of them for $5. It's a pretty good deal considering the times we're living in. There it is, the KD chicken wrap. I mean, it's not as big as I thought it would be. I thought it would be like a Twister, but like I said, for $5, it's not that bad. But here it is right here. Hold up. There's no fucking KD in this. Hold up, 1 second. Oh, okay. You're supposed to give me 2 KD chicken wraps, but instead they only gave me 1. This is the KD chicken wrap right here. As you can see, there's a KD. Take a look at that. That's what the inside looks like. I don't see any sauce whatsoever. It looks like a piece of chicken, some Kraft dinner, and a wrap all put in one. But this can be deceiving, right? So we put this back together. Let me see how this shit tastes. Okay. The chicken tender itself is a little bit salty. Not too salty though. It kind of brings out the flavor. I like my food like that. The mac and cheese adds a little bit of a taste to it, but it's not nothing serious. It's this right here is a little on the the dry side. I feel like they should have added like a mayo or like maybe more of a cheese sauce that they have that they got in the macaroni. Kind of make it more saucy. I mean, it's not bad, but when I come back and get it again, probably not. To be honest, I don't really taste much of a difference with the KD on it. It doesn't really impact the taste. This just tastes like, to be honest, like a regular original recipe chicken twister. There it is. All that processed KD on it and not really adding to the flavor. It's not bad at all, but like I said, it's not something to go out of the way for. What I rate this right here, I give it like a 5.5 out of 10. I mean, it's nothing special. It's just a chicken slider or a chicken tender with KD on it. No sauce, no lettuce, no spice to it or whatsoever. It's just like pepper and salt and KD. And the KD's not adding any taste to it. So, yeah, some regular stuff. Like I said, I wouldn't go back to get this. But I tell somebody to go get this, hell no. I was supposed to get 2 KD chicken wraps, but instead they gave me one with the spicy sauce. Since I got this, I might as well just take a taste of it and give you guys a review of it too. Hands down, this is better than the KD chicken wrap. Just get this instead. This is way better. It's spicy. The flavor is hitting. Nice amount of salt to pepper ratio. The lettuce is adding to it. Can't go wrong with this. Would I rate this? I give it like a 6 out of 10. Maybe a 6.5. Yeah, I definitely prefer this over the mac and cheese wrap. Yeah, if you're gonna get the 2 for 5 special, just get 2 spicy wraps or 1 spicy, 1 original. This one ain't worth the money. Alright, so this is what you all came for, right? The KD chicken sandwich. Take a look at the box. As you can see, let me open that up for you. Okay. Something I requested. I asked them, I didn't know if they had mayo that they put on this, but they actually do put mayo on this sandwich. And me, I prefer spicy mayo, so what I made them do is spice it up. So this is not the regular mac and cheese chicken sandwich. This is the mac and cheese chicken sandwich with spicy sauce. First one to do it. You heard it here first. Take a look at it. This is what the inside is looking like, as you can see. As you can see on the top, mac and cheese. Looks like there's a good amount of cheese sauce on it. Like I said, I had them add mayo to the bottom, spicy mayo. It does come with mayo, by the way, but I wanted spicy mayo to spice things up a bit. Hope you guys can see that properly. There you go. There's a sandwich right there. Now, I must say, compared to the poster that they had posted up at the KFC, this looks nothing like it. I mean, look at the mac and cheese ratio compared to the actual poster. The poster, it looks like this thing is stacked up like this. I actually have it right now and it's nothing. You can't even compare it. I mean, the mac and cheese is overflowing on the poster. I have the actual thing. Man, it's probably like 1/3 of the mac and cheese I had in the poster, yo. You need to stop doing this to people, yo. I think you could actually get sued for doing this shit. Misrepresentation of item you're selling. To be honest, I was expecting this. This is what restaurants do, so it is what it is. Now, let's get into the sandwich. Take a quick bite real quick, let you guys know what's going on. There you go. Mac and cheese, chicken sandwich from KFC with some spicy zinger mayo on it. Take a bite. Oh, let me get back in there. Okay, to be honest, I mean, the sandwich is hitting. I'm not gonna lie, it's hitting. But it's a mac and cheese. The KD mac and cheese really adding a punch or a flavor to the sandwich itself. I'm not really feeling it. Nah, I'm not really feeling much of a difference. I mean, the actual zinger sandwich might actually just be better than this. If I were to just get the actual zinger sandwich, I think might have been enjoying it more. We'll take another bite. Hold up. I mean, the mac and cheese kind of giving it more of like a texture, of like a soft kind of like texture, but like I said, I don't really taste it. I don't taste any mac and cheese. I mean, the mac and cheese is bland as fuck. Hold up. Taste it by itself. I mean, the mac and cheese by itself, it does have a cheesy flavor, but on the burger, the chicken patty, the mayo, the bun, it's overpowering the mac and cheese. You cannot taste the mac and cheese. All I taste is chicken, zinger sauce, and the bun. Again, take a look at that sandwich. The viral new mac and cheese chicken sandwich. And I put spicy mayo on it instead of the regular mayo. Again, you guys want to look inside? I mean, compared to what we see on the commercials, on the posters, not that much mac and cheese in there. What I rate this? mac and cheese sandwich out of 10, I'm gonna give it like a I'm gonna give it like a 6.5. It's all right, but it's nothing to die for, nothing to fight for. Not like Randy's beef patties. When I go back and get this, to be honest, for the price too, 10.99, that's good. Definitely gonna have to be a no. It's all right, like I said, but it's not something to go out of your way for. I wouldn't even tell anybody else to get this either. I mean, the mac and cheese ain't really doing what it's supposed to do. It's everything else that's doing what it's supposed to do. Let me know what you want me to go rate next time in the comment section. So leave a comment in the comment section, hit the like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch up with all my latest videos. You already know, it's the boy Machiavelli, tapping out.